Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best Apple Watch in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading Apple Watch that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. We're diving into the Apple Watch Series 9, the ultimate smartwatch for health, fitness, and style. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about sustainability. The Apple Watch Series 9, with its sleek midnight aluminum case and midnight sport band, is not just stylish, it's carbon neutral. Check out apple.com/2030 to learn more about Apple's commitment to the environment. Why should you consider Series 9? Well, it's your essential companion for a healthy life. The S9 chip powers a super bright display. And guess what? You can now interact with your watch without even touching the screen. Plus, redesigned apps in Watch OS give you quick access to vital info. Health nerds, listen up. Take an ECG anytime, get heart rhythm notifications, and track your sleep stages, from REM to deep sleep. The temperature sensor even provides insights into your overall well-being. And don't forget emotional awareness. Jot down your mood and build resilience. Fitness junkies, rejoice. The workout app offers various training modes, and you'll love the advanced metrics. But wait, there's more. Apple Watch Series 9 comes with 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus for free. Get ready to crush those fitness goals. Safety matters, right? Fall detection and crash detection are lifesavers. If you take a hard fall or experience a car crash, your watch can connect you with emergency services. And emergency SOS? Just press that button. Help is on the way. In conclusion, so whether you're a health enthusiast, a fitness fanatic, or just someone who wants a reliable smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 9 has you covered. Number 4. The Apple Watch Series 8. GPS 41mm with a silver aluminum case and white sport band. Let's get started. The Apple Watch Series 8 features a sleek silver aluminum case and a comfortable white sport band. The always-on Retina display is bright and easy to read, even in sunlight. This watch is packed with health features. Monitor your blood oxygen levels, take an ECG anytime, and track your sleep stages. It's like having a health clinic on your wrist. Safety is a priority with the Apple Watch Series 8. It includes crash detection and fall detection, which can automatically connect you with emergency services when needed. You can easily customize your watch with various bands and watch faces. Tailor it to match your style and preferences, making it uniquely yours. The Apple Watch Series 8 works seamlessly with your Apple devices. Unlock your Mac, find your devices, and use Apple Pay effortlessly. It's the perfect companion for your iPhone. In conclusion, that's it for our review of the Apple Watch Series 8. If you found this video helpful. Number 3. The Apple Watch Series 7, GPS plus cellular 41mm, in Starlight aluminum with a Starlight sport band. Let's explore its features and see if it's worth your investment. With the cellular feature, you can make calls, send texts, and check emails without your phone. It's perfect for staying connected on the go. Stream your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks directly from your wrist. Leave your phone at home and enjoy the freedom of movement. Manage multiple Apple Watches for your family members right from your iPhone. It's a convenient way to keep everyone connected and safe. The always-on Retina display is 20% larger than the Series 6, making it easier to read and interact with your watch. This watch boasts the most crack-resistant front crystal, IP6X dust resistance, and a swim-proof design, ensuring it can handle your active lifestyle. In conclusion, overall, the Apple Watch Series 7 is a fantastic choice for those seeking connectivity, entertainment, and durability. Number 2. The Apple Watch SE second-generation GPS plus cellular 44mm. This smartwatch is packed with features to keep you active, connected, and safe. Let's get started. The Starlight aluminum case with Starlight sport band looks sleek and stylish. It's lightweight and comfortable, perfect for everyday wear. Plus, it's swim-proof with 50 meters water resistance. Track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even detect crashes. The enhanced workout metrics and sleep tracking help you stay on top of your health goals effortlessly. With cellular connectivity, You can send texts, make calls, and stream music without your iPhone. Stay connected wherever you go, even if you leave your phone behind. The Apple Watch SE works seamlessly with your Apple devices. Unlock your Mac, find your devices, and use Apple Pay with ease. It's simply compatible. In conclusion, the Apple Watch SE, second generation, offers incredible value with its robust features and stylish design. Whether for fitness, connectivity, or safety, it's a fantastic choice. Number 1. The Apple Watch Series 4, GPS plus cellular 40mm, in gold stainless steel with a pink sand sport band. Let's see what makes this renewed model special. The Apple Watch Series 4 boasts a stunning gold stainless steel case and a chic pink sand sport band. Its display is over 30% larger, making it easier to read notifications and apps. Powered by the S4 SiP with a faster 64-bit dual-core processor, this watch ensures smooth performance. Whether you're tracking workouts or using apps, it handles everything effortlessly. Equipped with electrical and optical heart sensors, the Series 4 monitors your heart rate accurately. It also includes fall detection, making it a reliable companion for your health and safety. With GPS plus cellular, you can stay connected even without your iPhone. Make calls, send texts, and stream music directly from your wrist, offering ultimate convenience on the go. The watch is swim-proof, so you can wear it while swimming or during intense workouts. Its improved accelerometer and gyroscope enhance fall detection, ensuring your safety in various activities. In conclusion overall, the Apple Watch Series 4, GPS plus cellular 40mm, in gold stainless steel with pink sand sport band is a stylish and functional choice. Perfect for those seeking performance and elegance. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.